Hello, the Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna analyze the market for the next week. That means next Monday to Friday. And this is a fundamental analysis. That means we're going to analyze the market fundamentally. And as per you know that market moves 80% depend on fundamental news and 20% depend on technical news. So we have to cover fundamental news very well because market currently moving with fundamental news and fundamental things. Okay. So before we start, one thing I need to clear, that is gold always move with USD news. That means as we know that gold pair as XAUUSD, that means USD is very much reliable with gold, so we have to keep our concern on USD news. Okay. And there is a lot of news coming in upcoming weeks, like FOMC, unemployment climbs, and more important news. So there is two kind of news come into the market. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. If data come with positive value, like positive 0.5% or 245k or bigger than previous one, then we can consider that as a positive news. And positive data shows like green 0.5% and green 245k, like that. And if data come with positive value, then we can continue the sell entry. And another scenario is negative news. If data come with negative value, like smaller than previous, and also show us red data in forexfactory.com, like red 0.5%, red 245k, that indicates buy for gold. That means for negative news we will buy gold. You may ask Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will buy gold, why for negative news we will sell gold? Okay, let me clear one thing. Before we start that, we need to clear two things, and you need to keep your concern on two things. Number one is gold value is always constant or fixed, and USD value is changeable. Our currency value can be changed anytime, but gold value is always fixed. The thing is USD value, gold value go up or down depend on USD value. That means if USD get stronger, that means if USD value get increased, then gold will go down, and if gold USD value go down or decrease, gold will go up. Okay, the thing is that let me clear it more. Suppose one triangle of gold is equal to one triangle of or 2500 triangle of USD, United States dollar. Okay, if we got minus 5% or negative 5% news on gold, on USD, then that triangle will be smaller, 5% smaller than previous one, and in that case gold triangle is bigger than USD triangle. That means gold is upper than USD. In that case we will buy gold. Same scenario for another one. If we get plus 5% value on USD or United States dollar, that triangle will be 5% bigger than previous one. That means ideal one. In that case USD is bigger than gold, that means sell for gold. This is the thing. I have all things clear about the fundamental theory, and let's get back into chart. As you can see, there is our next week gold major and semi major news. I just skipped minor newses, and as you can see there, Monday we have no news or no major or no semi major news in the gold market or USD market. But in Tuesday we have ADP weekly employment challenge, and we have job opening news, and we have also another news, job opening. That means one is minor and one is major. And in Wednesday we have employment cost index news, and in Tuesday we have most important news, that means FOMC statement and unemployment claim. Okay, that means a jobless claim. So those day is very important for us, especially on Thursday. We have to keep our concern on the market, and if data come with positive value we will sell gold, if data come with negative value we will buy gold. I'm sorry. And as you can see there is Friday, there is no more news or no news, and without economic calendar newses or without any newses, market will move sideways. That means we can take a scalping entry, buy or sell in the based on the technical zones or technical analysis. So let's get back into one more kind of news. That means there is one more kind of news, that means emergency news can come without any declaration or without any previous declaration. That can be like Donald Trump's tweet or post on Truth Social. That can be Fed's chairman or Fed's million post or Fed authorities post in the Twitter or X. Okay, So we have to keep our concern on that. Suppose Donald Trump announced that there will be 10% more tariff on China. In that case, gold will go up. Okay, USD value decrease and gold will go up. Or suppose there is one more thing, Donald Trump announced that he will help Ukraine 1 billion more dollar. Okay, help for Ukraine, $1 billion equipment like wear equipment. Gold value will instant increase. Okay, if there is any wear come, or if there is any situation where like situation comes in the news, instantly gold value will be increased. Okay, and there is another reason, that is Fed rate cut. If Fed cut rate, that will be also give us a big impact on the market. So we have to keep our concern on that also, and we are sharing that kind of news, like instant news. That kind of instant news we are sharing into our public Telegram channel. Link in the video description box. We are sharing a lot of real-time data, and you will get there. So better if you join our public Telegram channel, you will get that in real time. Otherwise, suppose you have to keep your concern on Fed authorities X account, or you have to follow them, or if you have to follow Donald Trump on Truth Social, or you have to follow a lot of news sources like Bloomberg News or CNN or Yahoo Finance, like that kind of accounts. Okay, or that kind of news portal, then you can get the real news. Otherwise, you can join our public Telegram channel. You will get all kind of news and also technical analysis into one place. So I hope all things is clear now. I want to share one more thing, why gold value is increasing day by day, or why gold value will be increased in future or in near future. As you can see there, fundamental factor for gold drive or gold price going up. The number one is, if US dollar got weaker than previous, gold will go up. Then if there is high inflation and gold USD market, gold will go up. Okay, if there geopolitical tension increase, gold will go up. And if Fed cut interest rate, that means low interest rate, gold will go up. And if central bank take a decision to buying gold, then gold value will go up. And if there is any kind of economic uncertainty, gold will go up. This is the key or major things why gold value is going up. Okay, you have to keep your concern on all those things, and if you want to get all things in one platform, you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. Link in the video description box below. Okay, so I hope all things is clear now about next week's fundamental tension or fundamental news. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.